Hey everybody, welcome back to the hot tub build. So I started by removing the deck boards and then cutting out the joists and framing up for a new deck header. Got rid of the stones and then started the digging process, which was not fun at all. At first the ground was soft and I used a pick, and the deeper I went and the colder it got, the harder and harder it was to take care of the dirt. The excavation plan included the 2 seat levels as well as a trench to the utility pump house shed, and then a higher area that was going to support a retaining wall behind the hot tub itself. My client and friends helped a little bit this one day. Mostly it was just me filling up buckets of dirt and then sending them down that ramp chute that I built in the last video. Once the dirt piled up at the bottom in the tractor bucket, I drove the tractor to a pile on the other side of the property and dumped it. It's nice to have good friends. One of my friends, Alex, and another one, Eric, came out to party and also dig, and we had a good system going. This is the time I switched to the jackhammer with the shovel on it, because this clay was almost rock. It was almost about to become sandstone, I guess. We would chip away with the jackhammer. One guy would load the buckets and dump them down the chute, and then another guy would be ferrying dirt back and forth. I really could not have done it without these guys. It was way more digging than I had anticipated, and one good thing was that we did not have any rocks to contend with other than a small pier for the deck, and the hot tub itself is going to more or less replace that pier. Here we're finishing up the footwell hole, and it was great because we got the whole dig done while everybody was out there, and we had a chance to have a couple of beers in the dirt hot tub. Next up, we'll start filling in this hole with materials. Thanks for watching.